Poppin people?
I'm Aeon.
And I'm Luna, and it's Aeon and Luna TV. And you are welcome back to our channel today. And we are back with another video on the channel. Before we go further, we would just like to thank our subscribers so far. Thank you so much. Our 60 subscribers are there. Thank you so much for the support and the love. It has really been amazing.
Like, it was such a wonderful surprise seeing us. People show us so much love. We're really grateful for the support. And we promise we're going to keep coming up with some dope content on the channel as we promised in our introduction video every single week. Don't worry, I won't regret it.
Nah. So, as you can see in the title, today's video is some knowledge dropping video. Like we mentioned in our introduction, we are going to be dropping entertainment as well as information because, like I said, what's entertainment without some key information which we all need. So, on today's video, we are going to be discussing how you can make money this year with what you already know, the knowledge that you currently have, how you can utilize that to bring in some side income for you this year. What we did is, right, we have an outline here on the phone of things that we've come up with, research that we made that we feel you can use to make money this year with what you already know. So Aeon will just be going on ahead with the first point that we have for you guys on our points list today,
which is learning knowledge. Learning knowledge could be anything, really. Think about what you already know. It could be anything. It doesn't have to be like maybe something you went to school to learn. You might still be an high school student, but there should be something that you know that other people don't know. The key is problem solving. What you know will solve the problem of another person that doesn't know it. So you utilize that to make money for yourself.
Exactly. Because every single person has one knowledge or the other that some other person might not have. That is just my own belief and opinion. Yeah. So just sit down, try and come up with, think of things that you know that you feel like are problem solving or that some people may be lacking, and try and set up a business around that you can use it to generate some income for yourself this year.
Maybe you just even have like a lot of followers.
Yes,
there's a lot of
train people on a lot of things. The knowledge that you have is really, really important. Like they say, knowledge is power, and that is really, really
knowledge
true.
is also money.
Exactly. Knowledge is also money. So the next thing that I'm going to be talking about this point is rendering services. This is another key way that you can use to generate some income for yourself this year. It could be anything like from social media management to maybe like being a virtual assistant or even just marketing. But rendering services is a very, very important way to make money. It's something that has been going on for years and years, and I feel like the service industry is something that can never die out because people always need it.
We're always, majority of people in the world, they're always dependent on somebody else doing something for them. But no matter how capable of multitasking the human being is, we always need someone to come and do something for you that you cannot do. So you having something like maybe a skill or something you know how to do, you can like develop it more and you can use that to turn that into money.
Exactly. So just try and sit down, come up with the skills that you have. You may just be good with social media, really. Maybe like you're good with convincing people to get something.
Or it could be something manual, like
exactly.
Maybe some sort of form of manual labor. You're good at doing fixing things, you're good at cleaning things, you're good at watching kids. There's a lot of things that skills that services that you can do to other people that can turn to money.
Exactly. If you have multiple skills, outstream all those multiple skills. Tell people about them. One person may need this, one person may need the other skill that you have. Like we said,
don't depend on only one.
Exactly. Use your skill to bring in more money. Do not even depend on only. That's what this video is about. Don't try to depend only on one source of income. Because if there's one thing we learned in 2020, is that depending on one source of income is a fatal mistake. You do not want to be regretting it. You do not want to be that broke person who is disappointed.
You have only one, you have only one business, so no matter what, you still need one form of support because this life is unpredictable.
Yes, really unpredictable, I tell you.
So our next topic is generating profitable ideas. There are so many people in this world, they have lots of ideas which other people are looking for because not everybody is capable of generating ideas, especially business ideas. So companies actually look for people like that, you know.
Yes,
they have
they
people
do.
that call like new ideas now, the idea person.
Definitely.
So anytime the company is like running out of content or anything, it could be like a YouTube channel.
Yes.
It could be in the business world too. Anywhere actually, people are always looking for people to come up with ideas, because the majority of people just like follow what is already out there. So if you are capable of coming up with fresh business ideas, trust me, people are looking for that, and you could use that, you know, fetch money for yourself.
Really true. Do not look down on any ideas that you may get. If you can act upon those ideas, there are some people out there who are desperate to make those ideas.
Like they have money, they don't know what to do with it.
Exactly.
I see many of those online.
Try and put your ideas out there. Just be careful how you put your ideas out there. Make sure you are dealing with people who actually are going to value that idea and pay you for the idea that you come up with. Like she said, it could be anything from maybe coming up with video ideas for YouTubers. Like there's really
a lot
you can do when it comes to the ideas.
Look at TikTok.
Exactly.
TikTok is something one person generates and then everybody goes along with
it. It could be anything. Let's say, for example, you may not be a tech person, you may not know how to develop an app, right? But you may have an idea for a app that is so cool that will really bring a lot of income. But you're not a tech person. What you do then is you can pitch that idea to like a tech person or get a tech person to partner with, and you guys build up something great. That's just an example of what you can do with your ideas that you generate that can actually bring you some income. Now, let's just move on to the next thing that we have on this. But before we move on to it, we just like to tell you when it comes to idea generation or stuff like that. Here we have a consulting brand called Aeon and Luna Consults, where we help start up businesses and also people like you come up with ideas, but I'm not sure about what to do with ideas.
Pitch it out there, how to sell your ideas.
Exactly. So at Aeon and Luna Consults, that is exactly what we do. We focus on startup and that one person who has an idea but is not really sure how to go with it. So if you feel like that is you, do not forget to reach us on Facebook. We'll be dropping the links down below in the description box. Yes. So moving to the next thing is to start a business. Now, you may be like, start a business. What business? How? This is quite is connected to what we said before with idea generation.
Yes.
Now we discussed some people coming up with ideas but not really knowing how to work with them and then pitching it to other people for it to generate money for them. But if you have the resources to actually start a business, you can generate an idea for yourself and build it up and start a side business. Right?
Exactly. All you need to do is come up with the idea, do a little research, look around you. See develop a target market that you can aim for. Then develop the business. If you have the cash, it could be a small thing. It doesn't have to be. Most people think a business. It's like this big scale. Scale big. It doesn't have to be. Every business that is big started small.
Exactly.
So don't look down on any idea that you may have. It may just be something you can do around the neighborhood, but you can grow that small scale business into something big, and it will profit you in the future.
And thank God we live in a digital age. Starting a business doesn't mean you need to get a brick and mortar shop and look for money and stock up your business with all the goods or whatever it is that you need to run that business. You can start a business online.
Many people do it today.
Exactly. You could do it today. In short, we are going to be having a video coming out really soon telling you how you can make money online, starting online businesses. There's lots of things, there's lots of ways you can do it to start up your business online and build a brand without even putting your own money or your own resources in it to buy stuff, if you know what I mean, because not a lot of people have that. And that brings us to the last point that we have for you guys today on the video, which is
becoming an entrepreneur.
Yes.
That is one thing that most people need to consider. Most people don't actually consider being an entrepreneur until maybe multiple years have passed. You spend years working, and meanwhile most people hate their boss, they hate their job, they hate their boss, and most people they just believe that they can't be an entrepreneur. But being an entrepreneur doesn't really take that much.
Exactly.
And especially for us young ones, you don't have to wait until you're in your 30s, your 40s before you're like, being an entrepreneur is something really adult. You can start now while you are still young.
Exactly.
Because the knowledge is already out there. And there are lots of people that are willing to educate you with something like you don't know how to do. There are lots of people,
lots of ways that you can learn. There are lots of things. There are lots of streams you can use to get into the area. It's not a boxing place. That's one beautiful thing about being an entrepreneur.
You can create your own
It's an
niche.
ideas place. It's a place where you come up with new
Something
ideas
new.
and you make it something big. That's basically what being an entrepreneur is. It means you are doing this, you come up with ideas a lot and you build up all those ideas. It's basically you coming up with ideas and building on all of them to make it all something and not just focusing on maybe only one thing, but that entrepreneur mindset is really great. And speaking of becoming an entrepreneur, I want you guys to keep an eye out for the special live stream event that is going to be coming up earlier in the month of February. We are currently putting it together. There are going to be lots of training going on, lots of great guests, people who are entrepreneurs and have experienced what it is like to be in the
business coaches too.
Lots of people that you'll be learning knowledge from, and this is a free event really. It's a free event in which we are going to be sharing such knowledge with you guys, so you don't want to miss it. Of course, we are going to be bringing out information about this as time goes on, but to keep ahead with what's going on, do not forget to follow us on social media, Facebook and Instagram. Our links are down below in the description box. And like we said in the beginning, there's a gift for those of you guys who actually stay to the end of this video. If you feel like you'd like to know more about this, or you'd like to generate ideas, or you have some questions generally that you have, we are going to be giving you a free 30-minute consultation with Aeon and Luna Consult. So we can discuss with you, find out what your points are, what your strengths are, what your knowledge is, and we'll help you come up with something to be able to generate some extra income for you this year. Thank you very much for watching it. Make sure you subscribe. Yes. Give this video a like if you've actually benefited from it at all. Leave us a comment with whatever question that you may have and any video suggestions that you may have. That being said, thank you once again for watching. Do stay blessed and stay poppin'. Bye.